Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Chris Banner here from BFA Digital. Anyhow, what I wanted to just show you here today is how easy it is when you're setting up a phone sites funnel here, which is what we're doing here for an insurance agent of ours. He's a health insurance agent out of Florida, and he's looking to do some final expense coverage and also some term policies and so forth to his existing clients. So anyhow, what we did was we built an article type funnel. So this is going to be able to be dropped into any of his social media posts and anything like that at all. But instead of just dropping, like a posting something, okay, where you're not going to really be gathering any data, we're posting here these funnels in a way that it looks like it's a real article. Okay, so this just talks about life insurance and so forth, and I'm actually going to do another video on how to build one of these. We're actually going to offer this funnel as well if you do end up getting it with us and purchasing phone sites through my affiliate link. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be building some of these funnels and offering them as packages and dropping them directly into your own phone sites account, so that way it's real simple. We've already done the work for you. I mean, this funnel right here, for instance, if I was to build this for you, or you were to go even hire someone to build this funnel for you as like a freelancer or even some kind of marketing guy, this would be about a $1,500 job or more. And simply what we're going to be able to do here is create and do all of the back end work for you and show you within videos here on how you could change this funnel. So literally you get phone sites underneath me. I could pick up this complete funnel that's already set up and done and teach you how to drop your links in, all your information and your Calendly link and your scheduling link and so forth. Make it yours, turnkey, right? And start gathering data immediately. But what I wanted to do here is show you how we can add into this particular funnel a response that's going to send an email to you. Okay, which is real simple. And then also I want to be able to, or not me, but the client or this particular insurance agent wants to get a text message of when a new lead comes in, so that basically he could be on top of that, send an auto response and so forth back. So that's what we're going to do right now. So in order to do the two things that we're talking about here, you're going to need to open up a Twillio account, which it's basically free to open up, and Twillio is a way that we can set up an account where we can drop, it basically integrates with phone sites, and you could drop in your account information here, and it allows you to send an auto response text message to whoever inputs information into the funnel. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to go right back to our funnel. I'm going to go back into the insides here of phone sites, and what we're going to do is set up a zap so that it's going to send me the lead information, and I'm going to know exactly what that lead information is going to be. So I mean, there's two ways to do it. You can literally go into settings here and you can put to notify anybody's email. So if I go CBANNER at, so as soon as I go ahead and do this on the pages within the funnel that's going to be collecting data, it's just going to send me an email. Okay, so this is very simple on how to do so. And the thank you page, and then also on the home page here, I'm set up, as you can see, notify, and this is inside the settings tab and the config tab. And then also on the 30-second quiz, this is really where the information is gathered. Okay, so for this particular person here, they have options where they can offer people, term life insurance without really any questions asked or minimal questions asked. So ultimately this is the page here that's going to capture the data. This is really where we want the lead response. Okay, so just to show you how that works, that's as simple as that is. I'm going to go in here. If I put my name, Chris Banner, I don't have the text messaging set up yet, 20352, and I go ahead and put my date of birth. Tobacco user, no. On any medications, no. Get my free health insurance. So you could easily set this up to where you'll see here in a second that somebody just submitted a new information lead through this funnel. So if you were the agent, you would put obviously your name there, or what's pretty neat about the way I'm doing these things as well, if if you're going to set this up as like a referral type website, so say for instance you're a Medicare guy, right, and you have an insurance agent friend of yours who, or if you're a life insurance guy and you have a friend of yours that say is a Medicare guy, you can easily set up something very similar to this and share it with him and say, listen, man, go ahead and I'm going to create a funnel for you to hand over to your clients. I mean, literally, you can make something similar just like this, right, with inside of PhoneSites and add them as well to the lead response. So what's neat about that is total transparency to where, you set this funnel up to have this basically be posted on that Medicare guy's website, right? And you're the final expense guy. Or he could do an email drop. Hey, everybody, listen, this is my life insurance expert here. If you have any questions, he's got a great article that you can go ahead and check out. Check out this link. They would click into this link, okay? And because we have them added as a lead response here, as soon as their client inputs their information, not only do the agent themselves get the lead notification, but the Medicare agent does as well. So the Medicare agent will get a lead, either text message to him or email to him saying, hey, your client, Chris Banner, just went on to this insurance website for the Medicare, / life insurance referral business, whatever the case may be. So it's cool. Transparency is easy. So that's as simple as it is to go ahead and add a follow-up, not a follow-up actually, but a lead notification. You could do it through here, and you could just keep adding a comma, and this is where you would add that other referral, okay, that referral source, like the Medicare guy, for instance. Now, I want to set up the ability to go ahead and drop text messages, okay, to me as well, or the agent as well, when someone does opt into their website, okay. So again, as simple as this, you would go in here to your config, you go to dashboard, open this up, you go to configuration, and you're going to want to type in Twillio. And click the Twillio link here, and it's going to ask. So now when you open up your Twillio account, okay, it's going to give you what's called the account SID. So you're just going to go like this, copy this, and you're going to drop this back into here. Simple as this, paste, and then you're going to want to use the token that they give to you, copy, you drop it into the token, paste, and then now they will also have you pick a phone number, which you can actually buy your own if you wanted as well, but you don't have to for this situation. And you can just use one of their accounts. Now, anytime a text message with Twilio, it's a quarter of a penny is what it costs per text when somebody is basically going to be using this service here. So if I go ahead and grab my phone, I hit here, and let's go and hit test. Boom, I just got a text message sent to me right now at the top saying test is complete. Okay, so now what this means is when I go up here and save my configuration, that anybody, this is not the agent response, but anybody that goes on here as of a client, okay, I'm able now to go in here, go to my pages, okay, and really what I want is the page that has the quiz, and I'm going to go follow up. And because I link that account with my Twilio, so I link this PhoneSites funnel with my Twilio, it allows me in the follow-up to do a text message. So it says here, hey, thanks for completing my form. You can actually grab the people's name off of it. You could set it up to where if you want to have this text go out within 0 seconds, 1 minute, whatever. And you could say, hey, thanks for completing my form. If you would like to make an appointment, you can click on my scheduling link below. Now this is how cool this is. Watch. Boom. I can go back to I can open up my another PhoneSites here just for a second, just to grab what that calendar link is for this particular agent. So here it is right here. It's on his thank you page. So all we're going to do is we're going to copy his scheduling link, which again, when you have your own PhoneSites, you would have your own all in here. But and you go like this, and you just paste that thing right here. Thank you, agent. Blah, 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 blah. Now all you do is go save, right? So now watch how cool this is. If I go back to my quiz, and because I have myself in my settings here set up as the email response with that data, okay? And all I need to do now is pop in my phone number here, copy, go back to this, go back to send SMS from which phone number. I'm going to paste that guy in there, save. So now this should work. Saving, view. So I go ahead, type my name, my mobile 203-528-1214, date of birth, no. Are you on medications? Yes. Get my free life insurance quotes. Let's see if I got an email that pops up. Or in a text. Let me see how many minutes I had it set for. 1 minute. So within 1 minute here, I'm going to be getting a text message. If I actually go, I just heard my email bang off, so I got already the new lead with all the information here on that sorry, it's right here, Chris Banner, my age, tobacco, yes, meds, yes, boom. And now as the client, I'm going to be getting here anytime now. If this thing would work right now, go, go, go. Oh, wait, maybe let's see if I didn't have it set up properly. Yeah, it's all done. Let's see if I try this again. If I put it on 0. Sorry guys, I'm doing this shit live. This is the way it goes on the back end. You just keep running and testing, running and testing. All right, so we got settings. Let's just make sure we got this all right. I have my email, so I know that. I got my text. If I go to my follow-up, I have it set for 0. Let's just do that instead. Go, view, fill the info out. Boom. There it is, because I had it set up on a timer. So what's sick about this now is if I open my phone, so this is basically if somebody was on the internet in the middle of the night, they found this through a Facebook post or something along those lines, and you know these people want to be notified right away, and they have a question, whatever the case may be, right? They go ahead and go onto that funnel. You know, you could easily set this up to where, you know, they put that information in. If I go into my phone here, they put that information in. Wow, they're like, holy crap, this guy is on it, right? Thanks for completing my form. If you'd like to make an appointment right now, you could actually link in the text your scheduling link, which is right here. All right, let me show this to the camera. Boom. And the person can go right ahead and, you know, input their information and book an appointment right through his Calendly link, which is right there. And I'm going to also make another video here where I could show you how you can make your Calendly link look pretty like that. But anyhow, that's how you can go ahead and use your phone sites to create a way to not only attract, you know, your potential clients, okay, number one, by being able to drop a sexy post like this into any of your social media accounts, or just send an email blast out, or make a referral account, number one. Number two, make it informational so that people can, you know, gather that you do know what you're talking about. So you could do so by, you know, writing a nice article like this. And ultimately throughout this site here, I could pixel this thing, which basically means I'm going to add a tick to it that follows people along, and I can capture their data even if they don't do anything through here. So that's a whole nother topic and another subject that I could explain to you. But ultimately what you're doing is you're keeping people engaged and keeping them with inside of your site. So, you know, here they get to this point here and they want to go ahead and get the quote. Some people don't want to read to the bottom. Just give me the quote info. Boom, get you right there. Now they put their information in here. Boom, we saw how the text message goes directly out to that client. I could also have a text message go directly to the agent, letting them know that, hey, this person just entered their data into your funnel. You may want to get a hold of them. But I also set up, using Twillio, an automated lead response that sends a text message directly out to that person that just asked for this info, right? Quotes and so forth, giving them my appointment link or another call to action. You know, you can go to one of my videos, you can go to my Facebook page, you can go to my blog, you can go anywhere of these places. So anyhow, welcome to the modern day sales machine, Mr. Insurance Agents and Mrs. Insurance Agents. I'm going to show you guys how you can create your own lead gen tools and try to basically, instead of, you know, having the robots beat you, create some robots to work. These things work 24/7. All right. Anyhow, Chris Banner here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions, let me know. Bye-bye.